So I tell my learners, be ready before the bend, for the bend. Still a 30 road, following the road. I'm just off the gas just a little there and then back on the gas again. The white arrow is telling you it is a sharp bend, a sharp deviation to the right. My speed is still 27, and if I'm not sure, just off the gas just a little bit. Remember, do not release the gas fully or the car will go backwards because you're on a hill. So I see the national speed limit sign in front of me. My speed is 28, 29. And now I tell my learners to punch it, but gradually. When I say punch it, it's just slang terms. So we're building up that speed. On this road, you do not want to go more than 47, 50. So I'm 45. I can see a farm on my left here, this white sign. So I'm just braking before the bend to be ready for the bend. If you look at my speed, it was just 31, and then back on the gas. As soon as I can see around that corner, I'm back on the gas again. So I'm back on the gas. I can see a bend. I see this farm on my right. So I'm just off the gas. I didn't need to use my foot brake. 31's fine, and then back on the gas again. Next bend coming, I'm off the gas, gently braking, being ready before the bend, for the bend, and then back on the gas, and then the next bend. I'm braking now because I'm going downhill. The gradient is downhill. The gravity is pulling me, so I'm just round this bend and then back on the gas again. It's now, and I'm just braking just before the bend, and I'm off the brake. My speed is 34, perfect. Making sure that we are safe all the time. Making sure you make the examiner feel safe. This is a long stretch of road, so I'm going to be punching it safely. Progressively build up that speed. And there's a 30 zone, so I'm off the gas now. Making sure that I am 30 before I get to the 30 sign. That's perfect timing.